gosh. Sorry, that was my first stream here. Not first, but first in a while. Man, I wish I could see the chat. I can't see the chat. How do I show? Oh my gosh. I already am live. There we go. We're figuring this out together. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's do this. All right, this is just a test controller I was messing around with. Let's see where we're at here. Create the orders test. Can create order. I think this one was working. Yep. Okay, cool. All right. We asserted the event was dispatched. Looks good. How do I share this thing? All right, let's make another test. Okay, so let's look at our state. Orders, states. Order state, okay. We've got happy path. Default is pending total state, which that should be what this is. And I don't really want to test. I guess I do want to test that. I just don't want to test the implementation too much, but yeah, YOLO. Let's do it. All right, let's test the implementation. Just assert that the state is correct. I guess it's expect order state. Let's just see what that is. I know it's a cast is equal. No. Let's check the Spady docs on the state management. Maybe I could just assert it as it is. Let's just dump it and see what I get. I know it's cast to the class, but I don't know if it's cast to the string or the actual like singleton. I think it's the singleton, but let's just dump this real quick. Singleton. Yeah. Okay. So we can just do a hot and dirty. I know there is an explicit method for this, but expect order state to be. Do they have one built into this interface? Nah. To be instance of. Can I do instance of here? Expect. No. Let's just do this. Instance of pending total state. I think I could do that. Oh, no. Just kidding. There we go. To be true. All right. That's the hot and dirty way of doing it. And pass. Cool. All right. So we've confirmed that the initial pending total state is correct. I really don't want to test too much into the black box. I just want to make sure that the states are correct on this. So cool. All right. Next, let's test the next step here, which is pending customer acceptance state. Okay, so this is when the seller updates the total. So we need an action for updating the total. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, we can just do update total action. Update total action. Let's be more clear about what we're updating here. Update order total action, right? Oh, I already made it. Great minds think alike. All right, don't need that. Update order total action. Cool. All right, let's bring in our trait. Use as action. Yes. All right. So this is sort of a complicated action because we're updating the order total, and some things, various things can affect the order total. So you could do like the price of one of the items. The shipping price has changed. So I need to think about how to do that in an elegant way. I might have to like make this its own domain, but I don't want to complicate it too much. So let's see here. Let's do order. All right, so it's got line items on it. Because we need to calculate the sum. Yeah, okay, so we need another action or some kind of other thing to calculate the sum of the order and then just update that. Yeah. This is tough to think and stream at the same time. So if one of the price changes, then it needs to add to the order. Okay. Let me think about this for a minute. How will we test this? First of all, test can update price of order. And what are some of the things that can update an order? Let's just think about this. Price change of an item. Item removal addition on the order. Shipping changes. And I think this is more complicated than just an action. I think that the various actions that do this need to then move the state machine back to or forward to the pending customer total. So let's see here. If we go to our state machine here, order state. Yeah, so various things we'll be able to do pending customer acceptance state. So we really need actions for like various things that will then transition this back to pending customer acceptance state. Because if line order changes, or the shipping changes, it will trigger this state transition here. Yeah. Okay. All right. 1 second, y'all. Just gonna share this. Okay. So let's do this. Let's add an item to an order. Right? Yeah. Create an order. Or update a part. Yeah, let's add an item here. Actions. Add item to order. Action.php. I need to check this check because I'm going to be doing this check a lot on here. Spady. If anybody's wondering, we're using Spady model states for this, which Spady is the goat. How do I check if retrieving transitional states can transition to? Yeah. I need to know configuring transitions. Yes. Configuring states. Manually registering states, registering custom, configuring. I know you guys can't see what I'm looking at here, but I'm just checking the docs here. Yeah, let's just see if the linter will help us here. Or, you know what? Let's just look at the code. Order. Has states. Get state, get default. Get states for scopes. What is this method? Get name. Do you have anything else on you? Huh, okay. What method is this, y'all? I'm trying to figure out what method this is to check what state it's in, because I could fix my other test too. Configuring states. Config. Yeah, okay. So that doesn't make any sense. Let's see if old Claude knows. I doubt it's going to get it right, but state is. Oh, you know what? Oh my God, is that right? I think that's right. Oh no, we're doomed, y'all. I think that is right. That looks familiar. All right. No, that's not the namespace. Claude. App. Orders. Actions. Yeah, I think that's right. Class add item to order action. This is also a really great package. This Laravel. I don't know how. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but this actions package is fantastic. One of the few packages that's like Spady level quality. I really like. Fantastic package for actions. Although they do need to merge that PR for as job, like that, or yeah, I think it's as job, which is dope. Okay, action. Function. I think it's handle. I might have to change the other one. Where's it exec? Shoot. Okay, let's execute. There we go. Execute. All right, we want to add an item to an order, right? So we just want to go part. These are not like, this is not a typical e-commerce build, so that we don't have like quantity of them. We just have individual, like each row represents quantity 1. So we're going to do order. Like that makes sense, right? In semantic order, add item to cart, add part to order. Yeah, I think that's right. All right. Cool. All right. So now we want to do the check. Because we want to transition this, but if order state is, oh, I know where the method is. Let's go. Oh, duh! It's on the state class. Let's go to order. Of course, it's on the state class. Yeah, maroon. All right, here we go. Extend state. Does this extend anything else? Nope. Make. I was curious how people do the make method. I have a few different ways I do this one, but that's cool. Transition. Can transition to, yes. Equals. Oh, why is that? Huh, that's weird. Resolve state object, resolve state mapping. Really? Is? Yeah. All right, whatever. I'm just gonna let this be. Let's check the docs one more time. There's serializing states, resolving states in the database, listing states. It's got to be in listing states, right? So you can list the various states. Get default states. All right, this is driving me crazy. Okay, installation and setup. It's got to be somewhere in here. I need to check what state is it in, like elegantly. I could do it hot and dirty, but I'd love to do it with. I know that there's probably a method for this. State scopes. Nope. I don't want to do a DB query for a scope. Retrieving transitionable states. All right, I give up. I'm just going to do this. State, instance of. Okay. Do I get any kind of ID type in? No, that's real. That's fake. Okay. Okay, I won't worry about the state thing right now because I got to figure out what. Okay, parts attach. I think it's. I don't think that attach is correct. I think it's. create order action. And this will have, what's the relationship? Save many. That's right. There's so many of these, man. I cannot remember. I've been doing this for years and I still can't remember like which methods go with which relationship on these. All right. Let's go to create update order total action. Nope, that's not what we want. And I'm not going to be doing anything with that right now. I'm just going to add an order to an item, and add an item to an order. So I think it's, if it's single, I guess it's just that one. I think it's save. Cool. All right, let's just test that for now. All right. Can update. We're going to do something different. Can add item to order. Action equals app. And then we're going to let the container resolve this. Actually, we can just do it this way because it's the same thing as the container resolving it. Let's do order equals order factory create. Has part. Did I do has parts? Let's see. Pardon me. You know what? We can use this. Nah, that's okay. All right. And then has many, and I think that's how it is, part. Yeah. Parts. There's like so many of these methods that I do not know off the top of my head. All right. And then we go to, oh wait, no, I'm sorry. That's not what we want. Nope, we just want an order. And then we want, I think it needs customers too. Shoot, I really should make a factory state for the order. Let's do that. Let's go to the order factory. And that's not right. Pending total state. Oh. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Pending total state. Oh. What in the heck is up with these namespaces? It's weird. All right. Pending total state. What the heck is going on? Order states, yeah. Pending total state. Okay. Oh, it's in payments. Okay, that's why. Okay, cool. All right, so that's good. Let's make sure that we have a method here with customer. Yeah, and I don't want to pass this here, or at least I want to make it optional. So I can pass in an explicit singleton, or I can just let the factory, what is going on here? Claude makes a mess of my code sometimes. Oh my gosh. Get out of here. Yeah, and I'm missing a closing bracket, I think. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, sorry about that, y'all. Okay, you get to watch me fumble through using a mouse because I am a caveman. But all right, customer ID. Yep. Or yeah, see there it is exactly what I wanted to do. Which technically you don't really need that. You can override it with the not fill, but the factory method when you run create or make. But that's okay. With customer, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to keep this just for the with customer. And then I'm basically going to do the same thing for vendor. I kind of always wanted to have a vendor though, right? Oh, it already has them. I'm in. Y'all, it already has this stuff here. Okay. Ignore me. Look how great Laravel is. Like, this is the only code I need for this factory definition. And it comes with a user for customer, for vendor. Fantastic. All right. So that's done. I can finally write this test. Okay, we will have a factory. We need a part. Part factory. We're just going to make this. Because I think part needs to be... let's go to part factory. Does this have any required stuff? Parts list ID. Yes, it comes with that. Okay. Parts list. Factory. Does this come with a user, a default user? It does. Look at me. I was thinking ahead. Okay. Actually, then our order test, we can create a full-fledged part in the database. There we go. And then our action is add. It really should be add part to order action, but execute. And then the first one is the part. Next one is the order. And then now I want to expect order items to have one. I think this might fail because I think I have to fresh the model from the database because I don't think these are eager loaded. So yeah. Order factory not found. What? What, Bobby? Didn't I do an order here? Oh. I'm okay. Hold on. Order model. Okay, I think there's a better way to do this now, but I cannot remember what it is. So public static function new factory. I think that's what it is. Order factory, right? I think that's right. Then go to order factory. Define the inverse. I can't remember if you have to define the inverse, but wait. Oh, it knew. There we go. All right, let's see if that worked. Okay. Payments or okay. So there's something in the namespace is messed up somewhere. And it looks like it's in the order test file. Okay, cool. Let's go to order test. What is going on with this payments thing? I think it's like hallucinating this into my namespaces. That's right. Where is this coming from? In the factory. Is it the order factory? Order factory. Yeah, there it is. Dude, it's not payments. I probably got a stray namespace somewhere. And my IDE is like wanting to pull that in. So that's a little paper cut I need to figure out. All right, so expected counted all right, invalid value type. Okay, it's usually null. That's a weird. Let's see what we're getting. Let's close others, clean this up a little bit, add order to action. Yeah, okay, that looks right. Order items. Oh, parts. I think it's right. Let's go to order. What's this called? I think it's called parts and not items. Parts, yeah, okay. So I was trying to magic method something that didn't exist. That makes sense. Okay. Parts. Cool, pass. All right, cool. So obviously we're just sitting here unit testing Eloquent. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. But I just want to get this like skeleton up for the test. And then now I can go and assert things like I'm using explicit events, so I'm not really relying on model events per se, because I want to have a lot more control over when events are fired. So we're going to fire an event explicitly inside of this add item to order action. I'm not going to do anything with it. I just want them to be there in case I decide to do something with it later. So let's go to events. Yeah, create an order event. You know what? I'm going to make a order event base class. Whoops. Because yo. Oh yeah, Nathan. I figured you might like this one. Might look a little familiar to you, buddy. All right. Where was I? Okay. Order event. Yes. Oh yeah, we're creating a base class for the order event. I'm just gonna steal this guy. Real high tech, guys. Copy and paste. This is what we get paid the big bucks to do. At least used to. All right, order event. It's funny because it's true. All right, so this is gonna be the base class for our order events, so that I could be lazy and just extend it. So I'm just gonna make new file. Part added to order event. Oops. If I can write, there we go. Namespace. Come on. There we go. Part added to order event extends order event. And there we go. Cool. All right, so then when we go to this add item to order action, I can go ahead and fire this baby off. And you know what? I just extended that, but I kind of, maybe I want the order. No, because you can get on the order. No, we're good. All right, so let's do part added to order dispatch. All right, cool. Now we can assert that in our test. I need to move this to the top level declaration because I don't want to keep doing event fake, but all right. Part added to order event. Assert dispatched. Yes. Ooh, why is it double adding this? This is weird. I think something's going on with my autocomplete. Yeah. Something's going on with my text embedding. My embedding model, I think, for autocomplete. Yeah. There we go. Oh, sure you do, Trebek. You know that method. Come on. Oh, because I think there's something going on with the extension of this. Yeah. Does this extend anything? No. Yeah, part added to order extends the order event. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So why am I getting that in my IDE? Part. Can I do? Oh. Yeah, we'll just let it boilerplate this, and then we'll just do part added to order event. I thought you could do it right on the order class. I guess not. All right. Right on the event class, I mean. Okay. Let's see this test. Yep. Okay, cool. Now order event. Yep. We need to do the state stuff. This really should be wrapped in a transaction as well, but right, yeah, still using synthwave. Okay. All right. Now we need to transition it. If it's not already, then transition. So, I'm just gonna do something hot and dirty. Equals order state instance of, and then I think it's if it's not. Okay. Pending state is not instance of pending total state. I think it's can transition. Man, this IDE support for this package is not great, and I know it's my fault. Configuring transitions. You know, I'm just going to transition it to it and see if the state package will handle that. Or we just keep it as is and do that outside of this action, because it's only for one item. So add item to order action. If order state. Let's see if this throws an error. I'm just going to see. And it's not. We want to make sure that it's not. So if this is not already pending, because you can add other ones to it. I don't want to switch it back and forth. Actually, no, because we don't want to do this in the action. Because if there's users that are adding things to an order, we want to be explicit. So we want to say, because you might be making changes to the order in real time. So then if this triggers a state change, then it might trigger like notifications and stuff that should not be happening. So we don't want to do the state change in this action. Okay, so basically we just wrote a unit test for Eloquent. But whatever. At least we know the action works and the parameters are working and everything else is working. So that's cool. Can add item to order. And I guess we're going to do the inverse. Test can remove item from order. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and make that one. And I know this is like super explicit, and this is purposeful, so that I have a dedicated place to do this. Yes, order. No, not app. Parts, models, part. Class remove item from order action. As action. There we go. Function. Execute. No, I'm not going to do ints. We're going to remove a part from an order, right? So we wanted part first. Yeah, right? Is that what I had before? Add item to order. Yeah, okay. Part. Order. Cool. I don't think I have to save the order. I don't think. Oh, shoot. Cool. All right. That looks good. Let's make an event. New file part removed from order event. Class part removed from order event extends order event. Cool. All right. Part removed from order event, removed from order action. Cool. All right. Let's make a test for this. Gotta actually dispatch the order, the event. Part removed from order event. I know there's eloquent events for this. I'm aware, but I want to have it explicitly in an action. Because I might do stuff like this. I'm not trying to do like too much crystal ball stuff. I'm really trying to avoid that. But I like explicit places to do things. So it's just sort of a dedicated place to remove something from an order. And this is the only place where that happens. So I don't have to go chase down like, oh, is it happening in an observer somewhere? Is there some like notification listener happening? Is there some eloquent event firing that I don't remember? And, you know, so I like this where it's in one place where this action takes place. So, all right, let's finish the test. All right, events. We can use our let's use our action to add it. Add item to order. Why not? And we got to make a part. Let's make a part. Right here. Cool. All right. So we know that's going to be attached. So now we're going to do, I could do another assertion, but we're just kind of repeating our steps here. Remove, oh, I called it item again. What is wrong with me? It's because I'm working on another thing called cartable, and those things are called items. So, all right, remove part from order action. Did I already import that? Okay, good. I'll just. There we go. I need to update that one too. I really like that stuff to be consistent. So that's like a big thing of mine is I want like consistency at part 2 order action. Didn't I just add this? Why is this not? Oh, yeah, you're right. Yep. Until I fix it, it's still add item. Okay, that's fine. Remove part from order action. Make execute part. Cute. There we go. Why would you think I passed the part ID? Come on. Cool. All right. Expect order parts to have count 0. Then let's do event assert dispatch Yes. Yes. Oops. Let's see if we can get that to autofill in there. Part remove. Okay. All right. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Nope. What happened? What happened? Detach. Oh, yeah. Okay. What's the inverse of... It is detach, right? Parts. Detach. What's the other one? Forget? No. Delete? Hope it doesn't delete the record. All right. Let's assert that the part still exists. Expect part exists to be true. To be true. Right? Okay, I just want to make sure. Oh, yeah. It deleted. It like straight up deleted it. Okay, I got to figure out what that inverse is. I forgot what it was. Or maybe I could do it from the part. Disassociate. All right, time to dig through the docs. Oh, wait, no. It worked. Ah, what is going on with this? Yet again. Dude. Oh, yeah, something's going on. Oh, I think it's... Yeah, what's going on with that? I'm not doing anything with payments either. So why is that? Okay, it's on the part. Yeah, I think something's going on with this thing. It's like hallucinating. Yeah, disassociate's not right. Okay, I forgot how to do this. Let's go check the docs. I tell you what. All right, Claude, time to earn your money. Let's see here. Oh, I have to do it in chat, don't I? Okay, hold on. Oh, let's see here. Order has many parts. Parts belongs to order. Remove the part from the order, but do not delete the part. Oh my god, I'm not writing Python. Jeez. Let me include the file that I'm in. Oops. All right, remove. Nope. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's something going on with my text embedding model. God damn it, really? Yeah, detach. Except that didn't work, dude. Maybe I have to do fresh on it. Let's do. Yeah, I did that. Fresh. Fresh. I'm fresh, y'all. I'll bite your ear off. All right. Maybe that'll work. Let's see. I gotta log off here in a second anyway. Do some real work. Has many detached. All right, whatever. I'll look it up later. Cool. All right. Well, thanks y'all for joining me. I'm gonna head out. Signing off. How do I turn this thing off? Stop streaming. There we go.